I am from Spain, and that's where I did my studies. I went to university there in Madrid. I studied aerospace engineering. Yeah, I found out that I was passionate about space, so I decided that that was the field that I wanted to focus my career on. I am Esperanza Salcedo, and I am a medium-level MAIT manager at TNO. TANGO, it's a quite exciting project. I'm really enjoying it. My role in the project is MAIT manager, to coordinate the activities of manufacturing, assembly, integration and testing. TANGO is a 2-satellite system, small satellites, that are being developed in order to monitor the contaminant emissions of targeted locations. We are in the very first phases of the project. We are right now building the STM. It's a structural and thermal model. One of the models we built before building the actual flight models in order to test the assembly, the integration and model itself. With this model, what we are getting is a lot of knowledge about if the design is working well, if we need to implement new changes to the design. We are defining and testing in reality the integration plan that we defined. It's planned to be starting in the beginning of 2024, the actual flight models. During the first phase of the project, during the design, we also need to be involved because we need to take into account the upcoming activities. If we need some interfaces to be implemented in the design, or depending on how it's going to be built or aligned or tested, we need to make sure that the design allows these activities. And that's something challenging, each day different thing, and that's something I really enjoy about the daily work on MAIT. But it's so excited to see how the real instrument looks like once it is integrated, after have seen it during the development phase, the design phase. To see the final product, it's something so exciting.